Toothpaste. Truths, the right way to brush. What's up, guys? Hey everyone, welcome back to Wisdom Wings. You wouldn't believe how many people are brushing their teeth wrong. We're talking about millions, maybe even billions of people making the same mistakes every single day. Think about it, you only get one set of adult teeth, so why not treat them right? Today, we're diving deep into the world of toothpaste and brushing techniques to expose the shocking truth about proper dental hygiene. We're talking about those common mistakes we're all guilty of, using way too much toothpaste, brushing like a maniac, and not giving those pearly whites the 2 minutes of love they deserve. You might be thinking, it's just toothpaste, how wrong can I be? Trust me guys, these mistakes add up and can seriously mess with your smile. That's why I'm here to break it all down for you. We're gonna have some fun, learn a ton, and by the end of this video, you'll be a bona fide toothbrushing expert. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get those pearly whites sparkling. Stop using so much toothpaste. Alright, let's talk toothpaste. We've all been there, squeezing out a massive, glistening worm of toothpaste onto our brush, thinking more is better, right? Wrong. It's like that old saying, too much of a good thing. Well, you know the rest. Using a mountain of toothpaste won't give you super-powered cleaning. In fact, it can actually do more harm than good. Think about it, all that excess paste just foams up in your mouth, making you finish brushing faster, and it can even irritate your gums. Plus, you're just wasting toothpaste, and nobody likes wasting money, am I right? So how much should you be using? Get ready for this. A pea-sized amount is all you need. I'm serious, don't believe me? Try it out. You'll be amazed at how far a little dab of toothpaste can go. We're breaking those bad habits and getting those pearly whites squeaky clean the right way. Now let's move on to the next level. The pea-sized secret revealed. I know what you're thinking, a pea-sized amount? Hey mister, you're crazy! But hear me out, this isn't about skimping out, it's about maximizing your brushing potential. Think of it like this, you wouldn't fill your entire car with gas just to drive down the street, right? That tiny amount of toothpaste is like high-grade fuel for your toothbrush. It's packed with all the good stuff, fluoride, abrasives, and those minty fresh flavors that work their magic on your teeth. Plus, using less means you're less likely to swallow it, which is a win for your stomach and your wallet. Remember, it's not about quantity, it's about quality. So ditch the toothpaste mountain and embrace the power of the pea. Your teeth and your wallet will thank you. Now that we've got the toothpaste situation handled, let's talk about how to actually use that brush. Brushing like a boss. Alright folks, it's time to talk technique. Brushing your teeth isn't about channeling your inner scrub brush warrior. We're not trying to sand down our teeth here, we're aiming for a gentle yet effective clean. Imagine your toothbrush is a delicate paintbrush and your teeth are a masterpiece. You wouldn't attack a masterpiece with harsh strokes, would you? No way. You'd use gentle circular motions to bring out the beauty, right? The same goes for your teeth. Use small circular motions, angling your brush at 45 degrees towards the gum line. Don't forget the inside surfaces of your teeth and your tongue. We're going for a full-on mouth makeover here. And remember, no need to scrub like you're trying to start a fire. Gentle pressure is all you need to loosen up that pesky plaque and debris. The 2-minute challenge. Okay, now that you've mastered the art of the gentle circle, let's talk about time. Brushing for a whole 2 minutes can feel like an eternity, especially when you're rushing to start your day or get ready for bed. But here's the thing. Those 2 minutes are crucial for kicking plaque and bacteria to the curb. Think of it like a workout for your mouth. You wouldn't hit the gym for 5 seconds and expect to see results, would you? Set a timer, put on your favorite song, or challenge yourself to brush for the entire duration of a commercial break. Make it fun. Your teeth will thank you for it. Remember, we're aiming for a lifetime of healthy smiles here, and that starts with 2 minutes, twice a day. Fluoride, your teeth's secret weapon. Now, let's talk about the superhero of the toothpaste world, fluoride. This stuff is like a force field for your teeth, protecting them from those cavity-causing villains. Fluoride works by strengthening your enamel, making it more resistant to acid attacks from sugary drinks and snacks. It's like giving your teeth a suit of armor. When you're choosing a toothpaste, always make sure it contains fluoride. It's one of the most important ingredients for maintaining a healthy smile. So, there you have it. You're now armed with the knowledge to conquer your brushing routine and achieve those pearly white dreams. Unleash your inner toothpaste master. There you have it, folks. We've busted some myths, learned some sweet brushing techniques, and discovered the power of fluoride. Remember, taking care of your teeth doesn't have to be a chore. It can be fun, easy, and totally worth it for a lifetime of healthy, dazzling smiles. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the word and create a world full of sparkling smiles. Now go out there, grab your toothbrush, and show those pearly whites some love. Stay awesome, and see you in next one.